Today's news headline is the Rohingya commemorated the 3rd January as the Rohingya National Day. Details of the news. 3rd January 2025 is observed as the National Day of the Rohingyas in various camps. Rohingyas of almost all ages, all professions participated in it. The main purpose of celebrating the Rohingya National Day is to remind of their distinct heritage, struggles, and aspirations for the recognition and equality. Due to the persecution of the Myanmar government, the Rohingyas have not been able to celebrate this National Day freely in their own country for many years. Finally, in 2017, the government of that country forced them to take shelter in the neighboring country of Bangladesh after being displaced. Yet, the Rohingyas do not forget their National Day. Rather, more Rohingyas come together and independently celebrated their National Day in different Rohingya refugee camps. Ahead of the Rohingya National Day, many Rohingya leaders, dignitaries, and academics delivered their valuable speeches. It is clear from everyone's speeches that the Rohingya do not want to live as refugees but want to live independently in their own country. Since the Myanmar government does not want to take back the Rohingyas, the Rohingya leaders have requested the help of Bangladesh and the international community through the session ahead of the Rohingya National Day. Rohingya National Day commemorates the cultural and historical identity of the Rohingya people, that is an ethnic group primarily from the Rakhine State in Myanmar. The day serves as a reminder of their distinct heritage, struggles, and aspirations for the recognition and equality. The Rohingya National Day was first celebrated on 19th July 1947. That was the day when the Rohingya leaders held a conference in the town of Mongda of Rakhine State. The gathering aimed to advocate for the political and cultural rights of the Rohingya community. This was shortly before the independence of Burma, now Myanmar, from British colonial rule in 1948. It highlights the Rohingyas' distinct language, culture, and history. It calls for justice, citizenship rights, and the recognition as an indigenous ethnic group in Myanmar. It serves as a unifying occasion for the Rohingya diaspora scattered worldwide due to decades of persecution. The celebration of the Rohingya National Day has gained more significance among the global Rohingya diaspora, particularly after the increased persecution in Myanmar, including the military crackdown in 2017 that led to mass displacement. It is now observed as a day to raise awareness of the community's plight and to advocate for justice, inclusion, and peace. Events on this day often include cultural performance, speeches, and discussions aimed at preserving the Rohingya heritage and promoting their rights on the international stage.